Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to fix speaker not working on your INFINIX Note 60. First, check the volume levels in the settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Sound and Vibration. Here we have Media Volume, Ring Volume, Notifications, and Alarm. We are interested in Media and Call Volume. Make sure Media Volume is not all the way to the left, which would mean it's muted. For the Call Volume, open the Phone app and press the Volume Up button. You'll see a phone icon, which means it's the call volume. The Ring has a bell icon, so there's a slight difference. This is where you can easily change your call volume. Next, clean the speaker grills with a soft brush. We have one small grill at the top and a bigger grill here. Make sure there's nothing inside. This is very important. After cleaning, make sure Bluetooth is disabled so audio isn't routed to another device. Turn it off if you see available devices. Next, restart the phone to refresh the system. Press and hold the power button until the menu appears, then tap Restart. After the restart, enter your password. As a last resort, update your software to fix any speaker issues. Open Settings, tap on INFINIX Note 60, click Check for updates and make sure you're on the latest version. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.